Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States. Chapter 16, Shloka 10. Filled with insatiable desires, full of hypocrisy, pride, and arrogance, holding evil ideas through delusion, they work with impure resolves.
Chapter 16, Shloka 10. Kamam ashritya dushpuram dambhamanamadanvitaha mohat grihitva sadgrahan pravartante shuchivrataha.
Chapter 16, Shloka 10. The viewpoint of life of a materialist and his motives in his everyday life are beautifully described. Without desire, no activity is possible. Yet to remain a victim of desire is unintelligent, as they keep on multiplying themselves as we go on satisfying them one after another and become endless streams of disturbances in and around. Desire is but an expression of the ego when the seeker seeks a permanent satisfaction and infinite fulfillment through sense enjoyments. Deluded in this misconception of his ego vanity, negative tendencies such as hypocrisy, conceit, and arrogance naturally rise up to pull him down. Desires cannot come to the all fulfilled. He who fails to keep his own infinitude in his identification with the unreal things and values of life, he develops in himself a hunger to enjoy peace and happiness. Seeking fulfillment of his desires, he indulges in sense gratification. When the ego of the diabolically fallen desperately struggles to gain inner peace, forsaking all consideration for others, ignore all noble values of life, it becomes intolerant, inconsiderate, and brutal. This picture view microcosmically shows the materialist's restless, desire-tossed mind. The same, when looked at macrocosmically, portrays the ugliness of materialistic communities and nations. Life's beauty depends upon the beauty of the philosophy upon which it is built. If the foundations are false, the edifice, however strongly built, will be no better than a carved castle. Thus, the diabolically fallen is a materialist who by nature is an atheist in thought and a tireless hunter of pleasure in action. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.